Hi guys, this is Manish, and in today's video let me talk about the great phone which has been launched by the Tecno by the name of the Techno Spark Power. In this video I'm going to tell you about all the specification and why this phone is very much great in the terms of whether it is in the price or in the specification when compared to the nearest competition, and whether you should buy this phone or you should stay away from this phone. In this video I'm going to tell you all the things from starting till the end. So let me just first talk about the specification of this Techno Spark Power. This Techno Spark Power is being powered by your Mediatek Helio processor P22. It has a 6.5 inches of the screen. It has a triple rear camera setup on the back, which is of 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. And on the front, in the dewdrop or the tear down notch, you're getting the 13 megapixel camera. It is running on the Android 9. It has an AMOLED display and it has a battery backup of 6000 mAh. Just think about the battery backup which you're getting into this Techno Spark. Even if the battery backup is of 6000 mAh, the phone doesn't seem to be very much bulky and is just of the normal weight. It's coming in the variant of the 4GB and 64GB and is being exclusively available on the Flipkart right now if you want to buy this Techno Spark. Just the price range of this device, if it is coming with any sort of a brand like Realme or the Redmi, the price should be around 11,000 rupees. But with the Techno Spark, the price is around 8,500 rupees. So with the price range and you're getting so much of the stuff, if we talk about the Mediatek Helio processor P22 or the battery backup, this phone may just seems to be very much great if you want to have a longer battery backup, and the camera doesn't seem to be so much of priority into your day-to-day life. Just a small hinge over here, or you can say a small drawback over here. The resolution of this device is 720 into 1548. So I know that in resolution not being able to see any sort of problem because of the AMOLED screen, because in this price range around 10,000 rupees, it's very hard to get such sort of phones with the great AMOLED screen. Now the question arises whether we should go for the Mediatek Helio processor P22 or we should stay away from Mediatek Helio processor P22, or we should go from other processors like of the Snapdragon 675 or the 665, which is coming around 10,000 rupees. So in my take, this Mediatek Helio processor has already been used in many Realme and the Redmi phones, and the users are not been complaining whether they are buying this phone even in the price range of 11,000 rupees. Just a branding issue is there. If this phone has become with a known brand, many people have already been attracted and going crazy to buy this Techno Spark Power phone. But with this phone coming with the brand name under the Techno, just the service will be sort of an issue if you buy it. But if you already know about a person who can service your phone well after you buy the phone, I don't think there will be a problem with this Techno Spark Power. A great phone. Again, if you have a budget around 9,000 rupees, I strongly recommend this Techno Spark Power if you want to buy this phone. But if you have a budget of around, let's say, 10,000 rupees, then there are many options available into the market with a famous brand name where you will not be able to face any sort of challenge in the service. It is coming in the Redmi, in the Realme, and from the Vivo. I'm going to make a dedicated video that if you have a budget of around 10,000 rupees, what are the best phones which you can buy approximately around 10,000 rupees. I've been going to list it down, and in my coming videos you're going to see the options that you can buy in the month of December or in the month of January. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish and I'll see you all in the next video.